guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use motion portrait. When you open the app, it says here motion portrait, and at the center you can see the logo. So you tap into the center, and then on this first page it says select photo, and there's a message, please use frontal face image. Okay, left side, that's the photo that you really want. The eyes are like front, the image is very clear. On the right side there, you can see the top, it's like side angle, and the next one is like the eyes are almost like closed eyes. The bottom picture where the one eye is like closed or it's been hidden, and then the other one is wearing eyeglasses. Most of this I did use, except for the half closed eyes for a happy face. Okay, I don't use it, but the rest I think I was able to try it, and I would say it's a little bit tricky, so I would suggest use the frontal image, where it's very easy to edit. At the bottom of this page you can see camera, library, and gallery. So depending on which photo did you store in, you can use the camera, which is live, you can use that. Library, that's where I normally put all of my files, and also gallery. Gallery, I think, is when you do your images here in motion portrait, that's where you're gonna store it in. So for editing purposes, we will go for library. Okay, so we click that library, and then you can choose which images you are going to use, or image. On the first page, it is like it's automatic, and then you can see from here that the lips are not good. On the left side, that's where you can see all these icons, different faces and images. In the first icon, you can see a normal face, just the blinking. Next is like smiley face, where the eyes and the mouth is like smiling, and the third one is like frowning. Yeah, you can see the forehead, and the last one is the angry face. We don't want that, but for comedy's sake, you are going to use that. If we're done with the photo editing, then you can just save it. Okay, so on the icon bottom is like you are going to take a photo. The next one is a video. It is a 15 seconds video. So I normally have it for 5 seconds and save it. And then the last one is for voiceover. So for a tutorial, I'm just going to do the normal face, which is the blinking. And then when you open to the edit button, there you can see the green there in the center. So the lips is not on its proper place, so we are going to edit it. There are 3 buttons right there, so just point it on your fingers, then you can move it around and see. So just like what I did right here, 3 dots, side to side and center. That's all you're gonna do. Very simple as that. Okay, next is going to be the eyes, and you're just gonna point it. Okay, there are 2 right for the eyes. First is on the left side, so you can see right there, and on the bottom you can see all the icons right there. And my preference would be this, only like 3 of these, as much as possible. Like, don't move so much, or don't edit it so much, so less errors, less editing. Okay, so I am just fine-tuning the eyes, and then once I'm done with it, I will take a look at it in the preview. Okay, you would just say okay, and it will go to the preview and see how it goes. Okay, you can see the blink here. There is still a black shadowing on the eyebrow, so we need a little bit more fine-tuning. So what I do right here is just shrink a little bit on that center on the eyes. Okay, so we'll see how it goes. Okay, it's getting better. Okay, there's still some little dark on the spots. Okay, now we're gonna do it again. Okay, and just keep on doing it. Okay, right eye, left eye, shrink it a little bit, move a little bit of space, and then yeah, that's all I'm gonna do right here. Just fine-tuning. There are three icons only. Okay, that's all we're gonna do. Or here. Okay, now let's see. I think I like that. Okay, a little bit, still a little bit. There's still some black in there, but it's getting better. So we're gonna position it a little bit lower and see how it goes. Okay, again, try to shrink a little bit, reposition. Same with the other eye, reposition it and preview. Alright, still not there. You can still see some shadowing, but it's getting there. Alright, again, one more time, readjust, but reposition it. Again, and the other eye, reposition it on like the center of it. Okay, and let's see how it goes. Alright, so the left eye is better, but the right eye is not. So we have to reposition the eyes again. Alright, so we're gonna do that, guys. Reposition the right eye. Alright, reposition it. Okay, let's see how it goes. There, isn't that great? So the shadowing is now gone, and I am happy with that kind. Just a little bit of a fine tune, just to make sure that it's like natural, like blinking. So check it one more time. Okay, getting there, getting better. So I think we're almost done, but still just a little bit, just a little bit. Okay, all right, I think I am happy with that. Okay, so as you can see, guys, there's a trial and error until you can see the eyes that are like normal. Okay, then there's not much more blackness, or that eyebrow and your eyes is not really visible. So, and then when I'm happy, I'm just saving it. So I am happy with the picture, and so I save it, and that's it. That's how I do this motion in motion portrait. Okay, so that's how I animate our still photo into a blink and a wink motion. Okay, so this is it. I hope you learned something out from this video, and if you do, please like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, bye.